Imagine holding a US green card in just 6 months. Not years, not decades, but half a year. Sounds impossible, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how people just like you are doing it through two powerful immigration pathways, the EB1 and the NIW visa categories. These routes are not for everyone, but if you qualify, they can completely change your life, cutting years off the green card waiting game. So, if you've been dreaming of living and working in the US, make sure you stick with me until the end, because I'll not only break down the requirements, but I'll also share real-life examples and common mistakes and practical tips that could help you fast-track your way to permanent residency. When most people think about applying for a US green card, one word comes to mind: waiting. For many, the process can take anywhere from 3 to 10 years, depending on your category and your country of birth. Add in endless paperwork, delays, and the fear of rejection, and it's no surprise so many people give up before even starting. But what if I told you that there are certain visa categories specifically designed for highly skilled professionals, entrepreneurs, and individuals who can bring unique value to the US? And if you qualify, your green card can be approved in as little as 6 months. That's what EB1 and NIW are all about. Let's break it down. EB1 is often called the Einstein visa, but don't worry, you don't need to be a genius. The EB1 category is for people with extraordinary ability in fields like science, arts, business, athletics, or education. Outstanding professors and researchers, certain multinational executives and managers. To qualify, you need to show you're at the top of your field. Think international awards, published research, media coverage, or leadership roles. NIW, or National Interest Waiver, is different. It allows you to bypass the job offer and labor certification requirement if you can prove that your work is in the national interest of the United States. For example, maybe you're a healthcare professional, a renewable energy expert, or a tech innovator. If your work benefits the US as a whole, you can qualify. Let's go deeper into the requirements. For EB1 extraordinary ability, you need to meet at least 3 out of 10 criteria set by USCIS. Examples include winning major prizes or awards in your field, being a member of associations that require outstanding achievement, media publications about your work, serving as a judge of others in your field, significant contributions in your area of expertise. Now, don't panic if you don't have a Nobel Prize. Many professionals qualify by combining smaller achievements that, when put together, show extraordinary ability. For NIW National Interest Waiver, there are 3 big requirements. Your proposed work has substantial merit and national importance. You're well positioned to advance that work. Waiving the job offer requirement would benefit the US. This is where professionals like doctors, engineers, IT experts, entrepreneurs, and even social impact leaders can shine. Let me share a few examples. A software engineer from India with published patents and contributions to AI research applied under EB1. His application was so strong, his green card was approved in under 6 months. A Nigerian doctor specializing in rural healthcare qualified for NIW because her work directly addressed US healthcare shortages. She skipped the job offer process and was approved in record time. A Kenyan renewable energy entrepreneur showed that his work in solar technology could benefit US clean energy goals, and his NIW case was approved within months. These aren't isolated cases. Every year, thousands of professionals use these categories to bypass the long waiting lines. Now, let's clear up a few myths. Myth 1. You need to be world famous. Too wrong. You just need strong evidence of being at the top in your field. Myth 2. Only scientists qualify. 2. Wrong. Artists, business leaders, athletes, and entrepreneurs also qualify. Myth 3. It's impossible without a lawyer. 2. Not true. While lawyers can help, many people succeed with careful documentation and planning. The biggest mistake applicants make is weak documentation. Even if you qualify, if your evidence isn't presented properly, USCIS may reject it. So, how do you apply? Step 1. Gather your evidence. This is the most time-consuming part. Step 2. File. Form 1, 140 Immigrant Petition for Alien Worker. Step 3, if you're inside the US, file I-485 for adjustment of status. If outside, go through consular processing. The best part? With premium processing, you can get a decision on the I-140 just 15 calendar days. That's how people manage to complete the entire process in about 6 months. So, is it easy? Is it possible? Absolutely. If you're serious about moving to the US in 2025, the EB1 and NIW categories might just be your golden ticket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more immigration updates, and drop your questions in the comments. Tell me where you're watching from. I'd love to know which country my audience is tuning in from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.